So, um, my name is Trust God. You can call me TG for short. All right, and I'll be an instructor for this course. Now, basically, in this course, you're going to be uh, learning AI for creative. Um, in it, you get to learn how to create content with AI, how to program a content, and how to make animations with AI. Okay, so there are so many things you're going to be doing um, with AI as a creator, and I don't know, some of you must have heard about AI learning. Okay, welcome. Please just follow up as you join the class, and if you have questions, please, I would want you to um, document your question. At some point in this class, I would open up for your questions, okay? And meanwhile, tonight is going to be a very introductory class. I am going to show you or take you on a tour on what you're going to be learning throughout the course. And then a bit of things, and then I would share your course outline across to everybody in the group, and we can start from there. So now check the comment box. I'm about to drop the link to my slide for tonight. Okay, so I want you to follow the slide right away, and so you can be on same page with me. If you're on the slide, I want you to respond or um, let me know in the comment box once you are there. Okay, how many people are on the slide with me right now? I would want to know if you're following me, please. I need your response. It's going to be an interactive class. And confirm if you can see my screen as well.
I can see your screen.
Okay, very well, thank you. I would need, thank you, thank you. Yes, I would definitely be needing your inputs and response in this class so that
Um, Sorry for the interruption. I was supposed to install it in our phone or system.
okay, you're not installing anything yet. All right, I just said open the slide, be on the slide with me so that you can uh, flow with me. You get you get that, right?
Yeah. I'm with you.
Okay, so um yes, when I started, I was trying to go over what AI is, but before then, I think let me do a bit of um brush on how this class is going to run. Yeah, we had an onboarding section yesterday, and I don't know how many of you joined the onboarding session, but then um, This class is going to hold twice a week, all right, and it's going to be Tuesday and Fridays. Okay, so um, back to the business of today. All right, who's raising up the hand? Okay, just put your question in the comment box. I would answer your question. Okay, put it down in the comment box so that you don't forget it. Okay, so let me go ahead. Then now, um, someone can be asking, what is AI? Okay, AI is the short for artificial intelligence. Yes, and I understand that this course is for kids and teenagers. Okay, so I'm going to try to explain everything as
Off. 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 Down now. Off. What are stopping now? This one. Ọmọ yẹn ni
Hello, please don't.
Okay, please confirm if you can hear me. I didn't know my network went out. Please, everyone, confirm if you can hear me. If you can hear me, I want you to react. Give me a thumbs up or react in the comment box. Okay, fine, fine. All right, back to what I was demonstrating. Okay, let me show my screen again. Okay, I I would have to enable this again, do this again. So I was about demonstrating how you can use the voice AI or the voice model to ask questions on Google. Okay. Um, you can wake up Google on your phone if you enable the Google wake up call. The Google wake up call is always okay Google and or hey Google, depending on the version of your device, and um, you can trigger it off. I'll show you how to do that um, in the course of this class. Okay, so now, but let's do a simple demonstration which I can do with my system currently. Yes, so you can go to your browser and click on search by voice. All right, it will listen to you. Now, you can see it's typing what I'm saying. Okay, so I can give a proper statement and then it will pick it and give me a response. So let's ask the question. What is the time now in UK? Okay, so it gives you the results immediately. So this is just a little bit of the things AI can do. Okay, so you can ask it a question and it will respond to you. This is an easy integration, okay, compared to all the stuff you can do with AI. Now, um, you can create speeches with AI. Okay, I would be introducing to a platform real quick, Morph AI. Morph, MOMURF AI. Okay, you can create an account here. Let me use an existing account. Let me use an existing account to access it. Okay, so this my Gmail has an account with Morph already, and I have created so many projects with it. Yes. Okay, you cannot even see my screen. Let me share the entire screen. Okay, here we go. So there are different models and things you can do with Morph AI. Now, one of the best is for your content is audio. Okay, a content is made up of visual and audio. Okay, so now you notice some scripts, you notice some videos, and it seems to be that the voice behind the communication is very professional, is error free, is sweet. Okay, and then you wonder, okay, what's the secret behind that? All right, the secret is basically AI. Yes, like I told you, it's going to be your friend throughout this course. Yes, of it as a brainy robot's brain, a brainy robot. Yes, it's really making right now. Um, Let me open one of the promotion adverts. Some of the you get to rehearse, spend your time to do go to studio and record. You can program it with one of these tools. This is just one of the tools among all the tools you're going to plug into tools that is going to help you for communication and animation. Okay, I don't know why the network is really slow tonight, but why this is coming up. I I would want to tell you a bit about to come about this content, this method. Jesus. What's this? Oh, so this is um AI voice I selected. All right, there are different AI voice model here and different intonation, different accents. Okay, this with American accents. Okay, US, Canada. Okay, you can select any accents. You can make it. Don't worry, you're going to see magic. Okay, so now let me play the first script, for example. Okay, did you hear that? Please confirm if that audio came out. Hello, if you're with me in this class, please, I need you to flow.
No,
Did you hear the audio I played?
no,
Okay,
I didn't
okay.
hear it.
Very well, because that's how I would know when you're flowing. Now, okay,
I did not hear the audio.
okay, thank you. Okay, let me do a bit of thing. I'm going to join with another device and then play it out from there because a moment.
No.
Yes. Oh, okay. Welcome back. So why we're trying to make the connection so that I'll use another device to demonstrate this. I want you to you can go ahead and sign up on Morph AI. Is an easy to do stuff. Okay, you can just sign up with your Google account. Yes. So why that is coming up, then let me still show you around how to create your first project there and all. Within few seconds, this is the other device will be ready. So now, um, this is what makes a beautiful content. Okay, the audio, the graphic quality, and the storyline. Okay, so the storyline has to do with your scripting. Okay, this was for an advert. Okay, and I think I'll drop the video finished work of this where this voiceover was used in an advert animation in the group, so all of you can watch it in full. But then I'm trying to take you through a tour on how you can come up with a finished work. Okay, so the first thing or the first step is scripting, and then um, even if you even if you don't have an idea on how to script your content, is not a problem, because our AI boss would help you with that. Okay, so now okay, I'm seeing a hand raised up. Please, you can go ahead and drop your question in the comment box so that you don't forget it. Yes, drop your question in the comment box. I will make room for questions to come in. I'll answer your questions. So now, um, back to scripting. So how do you get to script and all? We'll be introducing you to the different tools you can use for scripting, and the very basic is your ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is another uh, renowned AI model in our time, and I will guide you how to um, create or make beautiful story, plan a video content with ChatGPT. Okay, so just sit tight. Tonight is just intro. I'm just showing you all that you'll be able to do, or a bit of the things you can do. Yes, because if I'm to show you all this night, you you cannot see all this night, because there's so much that you can do with AI as a creator. Okay, so our word today, content creation is a fast rising skill globally. Yes, in all you do. Um, so you'll see the need for content creation in different industry and sphere. Okay, um, whether in the oil and gas business, even in school, okay, even in church, all right, is needed everywhere. Okay, the second device is ready. I'm going to use it to demonstrate the voice model. So listen to this.
Brand with eye-catching design. Brand with welcome to B.O.F end of year design promo. Ready to your brand with eye-catching designs. Welcome to B.O.F end of year design promo. Ready
I think okay, it's reverbing because I'm using two devices together. All right, but that's just a sample. It's not even clear. So when I drop the video, I want you to watch it. Okay, the finished work of this is still in my archive. So I want you to watch it. There are so many work. Okay, you can quickly look at this video too. This is a complete animation. Let me check this. I'm going to share some content to you generally. Okay. So you can check out all that you can do with AI and animate, how you can animate with AI. But we are somewhere, all right, which is um, scripting, okay, because I believe this playing of audio currently, the model is not going to work in this class. So you would have to watch it later. So, but I was going to tell you how you can script with this um, AI boss called Chat GPT. Okay. So, let's say I want to create an advert for a boutique store. All right. I can be like, hello, I want to, I can use voice or text, but I prefer to use text and then communicate to you because um, the voice communication will be clashing with our meeting. So I want to create um, a content, a promotional content for a boutique store in Port Harcourt. Okay, please help me script a 1 minute um, catchy content. Okay, with voice over. All right. Now look at how fast this guy is going to help you generate this. Okay, you see that? You see that? Now, um, I can generate or create this content from start to finish without involving any human being. Everything will be done with AI. Yes. So from the voiceover to the character that will be animated, the images, the graphic, I'm going to do all with AI. Okay, so I just showed you one model of AI for voice over. Okay, I need to sign up on this platform, and then in the next class we'll demonstrate it. We're going to do hands-on, all right, stuff. Would get our hands dirty, but I'm just showing you all that you can do. But look at this. If you read through this, even if I want a twist, I can tell it to make a twist for me, give it directions and all. But you can only be able to tell it to make it better if you are a creator. Okay, so and one of the acts you'll be learning in this course is the art of content creation. Okay, so I'm going to open your eyes to what makes a good content and what is behind a you can easily identify a bad content when you see it. Okay, so now you see something like you see the voiceover. This is telling you that okay, this is supposed to be a voiceover. Okay, but hackers get ready to step into a world where fashion meets elegance. Welcome to, you put the boutique name, okay? The city's new heartbeat of lifestyle. All right. Now, if this is not maybe the brand slogan or tagline, I can twist it. All right. Now, it's showing you actions. This is where graphic comes in. Okay. So, cut to clips or stylish clothing, racks, dress, shoes, accessories, and stuff. Okay. So, if I wanted to bring in human Okay, it's already factored it in. Show model walking, trying on outfits, smiling in mirrors, and all. If you read through what is given you, you'll be amazed. Okay, so and this is timely. All right. Now, content creation has gone beyond you cracking your brain too much. Yes, you don't need to crack your brain too much again for content creation. Yeah, because our AI boss is there. So there are different AI tools, and is going to amaze you when you use these tools to structure a very attractive content. All right. So um before and confirm who should still hearing me, this one network is fluctuating. Okay, so that is how this guy operates. And I need you to do a bit of setup, which would include signing up on the Morph AI tool. Don't forget that. Yes, don't forget that. Um, Sign up on ChatGPT also, and then we would look at it in the next class. The next class is going to be detailed. So next class is just intro. You can go through this slide. Okay, so you can go through the slide, follow it. It's not really uh, we are not going to be doing any practical stuff today because I figured that most of you don't even know about the industry. So I had to flow this way and explain this bit of details to you. Okay. So at this point, I want to receive your questions before I show you one last thing. Okay, please, what is the name of the site? Morph AI, MOURF AI for voice AI. Yes. Then for your scripting and practice, you use ChatGPT for now. ChatGPT. Okay, so create an account with these two AI, and I'm going to also tell you some hacks. Yes, most of these AI are not free. Yes, but for example, Morph AI, I'm going to show you how to get your work when you are done there because it's actually among the best voice AI we have currently. Yes, so if you want to download what you've done, you might encounter issues, but I'll show you a hack. Yes, so that is why you are in this class. It's like a pro class. Yes, so any question, I want to receive your questions. I want to be sure you are following in the class. Please, your questions. Confirm if you can hear me, everybody.
We can hear you.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay.
Yes, I can hear you.
Uh, Okay. So, do you have any question? Is there something you've seen somewhere and you want to know whether you will be learning it also, or you wondered how it's been made? Okay. In the absence of, okay.
Sir, please, what
Yeah. Go
of
ahead.
the
AI this thing generators that are not free.
Okay. Actually, some of the efficient ones are paid for, but even the ones that uh, are paid for, I will show you a hack. Like I'll show you how to, you know,
When
extract
when we
you
sir
from
please
it. When it's what?
sign in when we sign in for on the AI app, what are we going to use the AI app and do?
Okay. Like I said, I thank God I opened up for questions. Now, um, there are different AI for different things. Okay. And so there is one, the MOF AI I talked about, I said is for voice. Okay. So when you look at the platform, you're going to see AI voice generator. Hmm? So
Yes, sir.
this is an AI voice generator. Okay. So in your content is made up of audio, that is voice, right? Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
And is made up of graphics, which can be image, right, or video.
Yes.
So because they are moving images are videos. Okay. Uh,
Yes, sir.
why? So um, there is an AI tool that is dedicated to generating images. Okay. So this
Yes.
one is dedicated to voice. All right. There's another one that is dedicated to video. I'm going to introduce you to all of them one after the other. We'll get to learn how to use clean AI, and or there are so many of them. So I do not just want to poke you with so many things today. Ahem. So for in tonight's class, I needed to understand the possibilities of AI and how you can use these tools. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Get to know that these tools exist. Okay, I just did a demo on how you can script your content, which is the first step in content creation with ChatGPT. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
when you script your content, it gives you a clear vision of what you want to produce. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
So when you have a clear vision of what you want to produce, now you know from here that I'll be needing a voice AI for the voiceover. Okay, I'll be needing an AI image generator for the image here. Okay, or I can download images online. All right. So if you want your content to be cartoon like, all right, so you can download actual images and then I can show you tools also to convert them to cartoon. Just AI. You don't need to have any graphic skill. You get. uh
Yes, I
You,
do.
yes, what you just need to know is you just need to master the use of these tools and you can produce magic.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so I believe I answered the question very well.
Yes, you did.
Okay, any other question from anybody? Okay, so if I go to Morph AI, how will I work it? Okay, so if you go to Morph AI, let me open this. Okay, this is a new account. Okay, please let me close it up. This is a new account. The first thing to do is to sign up. Okay, and that was what I said. So you will see sign up option here, up here. So click on it and then go ahead and sign up with your Google account. Or you can fill the sign up form by putting your mail and password. All right. So, but this is easy and on the go for you. So you can click on this sign up with Google account and it will automatically authenticate you with your Google account. So it will take your name from your Google account and move on. Okay, so get this done. Continue. Don't be afraid. Yes, continue, and you get yourself into the environment. Yes, then when we come to our next class, you can study it, fill up the form. Um, what's your company size? You can just put anything. Okay, put put one. Okay, 1 to 5. Okay, select this. How many people work at your company? Just select this. Go ahead and fill the form. Now, okay, you might be asking a question of why are they, you can be like, why are they asking you this question? And the reason is this, like I said, this is a top tool, okay, that you can use to, produce high excellent stuff. Company pay to use the platform, okay. So, but then you can use it um, even as a kid. Okay, well, I'm going to guide you on how you're supposed to do that. All right. So just go ahead, fill the form, select the list number and answer options, and then you get yourself into the environment. Okay, this is the environment. These are some sample voices. You can play them, hear them out. You can select, I'll show you in detail how to select the voices and tune them. Okay, even when you select them, this is like your studio. You can set the pitch when you want it to uh, be high, when you want it to um, be low, when you want your communication pattern. You can select conversational, you can select advert, you can select calm. You see the differences when you play each of them. Okay, there are so many things. When you want to lay emphasis on the word, you can do that. There are so many things I'm going to show you practically. Okay, so but just sign up first. All right, then what's the next question there? So why, John, I believe I've answered your question. So Dora asked, why is it that when you enter some links, they will first of all ask you if you're a robot? Is a okay. Okay, the reason is this. Yes, um, we are in the era of AI. Okay, and so many persons can automate it for several things. Now, every good thing have the bad side. Okay, so some persons can automate a robot to create accounts on platforms and use it for something that is not good. Let me use it that way for you. Okay, so use it for something that is not good. So now platforms are now integrating security check. Okay, that is because some of these bots or AI that is integrated cannot be able to detect those stuff. You see some things like select the right color, select the structure is this. A human being can easily detect a color and a direction of an object. Okay, but a robot cannot easily do that, except it's a high trained robot. Okay, yes, AI can see using computer vision. Okay, so because when we get to use clean AI, you would understand that it's going to learn from a video that you did. It will see the motion, the activity, and then you can clone it to um, perform a particular function you want it to do. Okay, so but the reason why you see those check if you're not a robot is to check if you are actually a human being trying to enter the platform. Okay, yes, because these days you can automate a bot to perform some actions for you. So that is answered, right? Then the next person asked, you would have to take a bus. Is it really necessary? Yes, why? Okay, yes, these are among the checks. Okay, some will ask you to select which is a traffic, which of this image box have a traffic light. You see uh different um what do we call it again? There are different tests to just verify that you're a human, and then you can go ahead to use the platform. Yes, it's necessary sometimes because if you don't do it, they will not allow you to access the platform. Yes. Okay, so I believe I've answered that also. Okay. Okay, so that will be the end of this class. And if you have more questions, you can drop them in the group chats. I will attend to them with time. Yes. So have a wonderful night rest, everybody. Good night, everybody.